promoting a Facebook post on your Instagram account. Hey there, friends. So far, we've been walking you through the right ways to use Instagram for marketing, step by step. Most of these strategies will help you to grow steadily and to stay relevant, but there's going to be a point where you'll need to scale. The best, fastest way to scale is to run paid campaigns to promote your content. Luckily, Instagram integrates with the Facebook ads platform, one of the most widely used advertising platforms on the planet. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to get started using this platform by promoting a Facebook post from your business page on your Instagram account. Getting started. The first step is to access the Facebook ads platform. You can do this by visiting the facebook.com/ads manager URL while logged into your Facebook account. This will take you to the Ads Manager page, where you can create and manage Facebook ad campaigns that have outreach on the Instagram network. Creating the campaign. To create a Facebook ads campaign, start by clicking on the Create Ad button. You will be prompted to select the marketing objective on the following page. Because you are going to create a campaign to promote a page post from your Facebook page on Instagram, select Engagement as a marketing objective for this campaign. Now select Post Engagement as your objective. Then, enter the name to save this campaign into the Campaign Name field. Now click on the Set Up Ad Account button. What you'll do now is to select your account country, your currency, and your time zone. Make your selections and click on Continue. Setting up your campaign. Now it is time to set up your ad campaign settings. This includes setting up your ad set, audience, placements, budget, and schedule. Let's start by entering the name of this campaign's ad set into the ad set name field. Let's now move to the audience section. Here you are going to select your target audience, demographics, and attributes. Start by clicking on the edit icon in the location section to select the locations where you want to show your ads. Here you simply have to enter the name of a location that you want to target into the Add More Locations field. Then select the location from the results. You can add as many locations as you want. Now click on the Edit button corresponding to age to select the minimum age and the maximum age of people that you want to see your ads. You can also click on the Edit button corresponding to gender to select a specific gender. This is useful when you want to advertise something to a specific gender. For example, if you are going to advertise custom automotive parts, it is better to select male as your target gender. Or if you are going to advertise makeup products, it is better to select female as your target gender. In this case, we are going to leave the default all genders setting as our target. Now click on the Edit button corresponding to Detailed Targeting. Here you can select more detailed criteria that will help you target the perfect prospect. This includes demographic attributes, interests, and behaviors. All you have to do is to enter a keyword into the Detailed Targeting field, and then to select an item from the results. You can add as many attributes as you want to target. Lastly, click on Show More Options. Then click on the Edit button corresponding to languages. Now enter the language or languages that you want to target. Make sure to always target the same languages you use to create content. Once you are done defining your audience, move to the Placement section. The automatic setting allows you to promote your post across multiple placements that includes Facebook, Instagram, and other networks. But because the goal is to focus the budget for this campaign to promote a post on Instagram, you have to select Manual Placements. Next, deselect all placements except Instagram. Let's now move to the Budget and Schedule section. Here you are going to set your budget and your ad schedule. Start by selecting Daily Budget as your budget type. Next, enter your daily budget amount into the Budget field. Here you can start with a daily budget as low as $5 and scale as you see fit. When it comes to the start and duration of your campaigns, you can select to run my ad set continuously starting today to promote your post right away and to stop the campaign manually later on. Or you can select Set a Start and End Date to schedule when to start and when to stop promoting your post. In this example, we're going to select the Run My Ad Set Continuously starting today. Once you're done setting this up, click on Continue. Setting up the ad and launching the campaign. Now it is time to set up your ad. Start by entering the name to save this ad into the Ad Name field. Now move to the Identity section. Click on the Facebook page menu button and select the Facebook page that is connected to your Instagram account. You'll see your Instagram username below in the Instagram account section. Now you're going to click on the Use Existing Post tab below. Move to the Creative section and click on Select Post. You will see a list of all Facebook posts on your page. All you have to do now is to click on the post that you want to promote, and then to click on Continue. Your selected post will load as the ad creative, and you will see a preview on the right column of this section. And now that your ad is ready, you will simply have to click on the Confirm button to submit your campaign. It will start running from 5 to 10 minutes after you submit it.